Hi guys, at the high school leadership meeting this morning we talked about continued parent communication. Some parents have appreciated getting emails from teachers about student missing work and would like these notices to be sent more often. There is a quick and easy way to send families a weekly message through campus with a pre-populated email about missing work. Obviously this only works if you're staying caught up on grades. And this isn't going to work for every family. It is just one piece to the puzzle. So, in your Schoology, or not Schoology, campus, under Instruction, you're going to go to Message Center, New. Here, the message type. So, previously, you can send any sort of email to parents and students with just creating your own email, or email message. But you can also click on this and send a grade message or a missing assignment message. So we're going to go with missing assignment message. Yep, that's okay. It's going to be delivered to the inbox and email. And it's a pre-composed email for you. There has been a request from parents to make sure that we label who the email is coming from, because otherwise it comes from like a generic school account. And so if we're more specific with who and what class, it's easier for parents to help their kids. So it's going to say Mrs. Morrow's Spanish missing assignments. And then even in the body of the thing, I can say hello from Mrs. Morrow's Spanish class. And then the rest will fill in as we go through. So next. So I'm going to go to my Spanish 1. I can send it to all my students at once, or if I need to, specific students. Okay. I'm going to send it to all my students. I'm going to select everything from quarter 1 so far, because my students are able to make up anything at any time of the year. Click next. And then here, this is what my email is going to look like. Okay? And then you just click send. And it tells you how many were sent, how many people have no devices in that group, and so on and so forth.